Hey everyone, it's Skippermark, and today I am in Old Wethersfield, Connecticut for the Wethersfield Police Cadet Car Show by Over the Hill Gang. We haven't had the car show for a couple years because it's been really bad weather, but this year it's beautiful. And there's over 200 cars here, so I'm just going to stop talking and let you enjoy them. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.
Run away. Turn the page. We'll live in endless summer. Elevate. Wide awake. We'll live in endless summer.